Why did you accept Islam?
Why?
Why did you accept Islam?
Why do I accept Islam? After knowing Islam, why should not I accept Islam? Because Islam is the truth. It's a way of life. It's divine. It's practical. It's logic. It's rational. Islam is the answer to whatever problem that we need to live in this world. And Islam is for you here and for you in your hereafter. Anyone who learn about Islam and understand Islam, I don't think they will not accept Islam. They are sure to accept Islam because our nature is that we love what is right. We love what is good. And we can't appreciate Islam today so easily because the Muslim don't show good example and the media is very unjust to the Muslim. All the good thing about Islam, the media do not cover. Anything negative happen by the Muslim, they highlight it. Yeah, like we are the number one evil, yeah? But only Allah knows. Wa makaru wa makarallah wallahu khairul makirin. The more they talk bad about Islam, the more people are exposed to the beauty of Islam. We have a lot of brothers say, thanks to Mr. Bush of America, we came to love and understand Islam through him. Because they attack Islam and people want to know more about this religion and they found out the truth of Islam by themselves. So please, we hope that any politician who dislike this religion, please be fair to yourself. Learn about this religion. It will benefit everybody because Islam is for all. May Allah bless us. May Allah guide us. That's why I accept Islam after knowing what is Islam.